In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the cabin air filter on this Toyota Corolla. Located right behind your glove box. Let's get started. To begin, open up the glove box and empty all of its contents so we can then open it further. On the outside near the door, you'll see this support piston that you want to pop out. Then squeeze in on both ends of the glove box to get these tabs to clear. There we go. Sometimes this pops out. Now in here, you'll see this panel. On the right-hand side, as you're looking at it, you have to pull these tabs out, just like that. That'll allow you to pull this panel away. And in here is the tray that holds your cabin air filter. Pull it straight out. There it is. Push this filter out. Set it aside. Your new filter will have some arrows. The arrows are the direction of the airflow. In this case, they have to be pointing down. So we'll take our filter, slide it with the reinforced sides on each side and the softer ends on each end where the little tabs are. Make sure it's pushed down all the way. If it doesn't go in, that means on the back side it's got the pleats are hitting this, so just push it. Once you're sure that this is fully seated and correctly installed, slide this tray back into the air box all the way in. Then this lid has two tabs that are offset. Right now they're on the top, but if you flip it this way, they'll be on the bottom, and that's what you want. You want these tabs to push that tray upwards. So when you install this, you want these two tabs on the left to slide into their groove. They're hooking in, and now press it on the right side, and that's going to fully lock this in. So if you try to pull on it anywhere, it should not come off. Push the glove box back up into position. And then over here, grab this piston, pull it down, and over that tab, push it to lock it in. Put back anything that you had in the glove box, and job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.